Hey everybody, we're about to head in the Dollar Tree for some new Valentine's Day gift ideas. Let's go. So with everyone at home binge watching TV shows and movies on Netflix and Hulu, I thought a box of snacks would be a good idea. So right now I'm looking for some cookies to give somebody. Ooh, gotta love those oatmeal cookies with the icing, yes! And now I'm trying to decide what box I want to put these snacks in. They have a lot of different boxes of different sizes. And I'm going to go with this pretty pink box, and I'm going to take a coffee filter and put it inside and fill it with cookies. And if you have more than one treat that you want to put inside, just use another coffee filter to separate the snacks. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. And if you know anyone who would appreciate a good bar of soap, you can try giving them one of these. The Yardley London soaps are a really good choice. They each have a really good, nice fragrance to them, especially the lavender one and the shea buttermilk. Those are one of my faves. But I just started getting introduced to the sugar soapworks. The oatmeal coconut one is not bad. It has a subtle fragrance to it, and I think it's good for people that have sensitive skin. But my favorite is the oatmeal lemon. It smells so scrumptious, y'all. Especially if you're taking a shower in the morning, the lemon fragrance just wakes you up. And these bars are so huge. They're the size of my hand, so it's going to last you a really long time. Another recent Dollar Tree find that I stumbled across is this aromatherapy body lotion. It comes in eucalyptus or lavender. I started using the lavender one, especially when I'm going to bed at night, to give my body a nice calming sensation before I go to bed. And both of these lotions feel very good on the skin. They're very moisturizing, and these would make a great gift. This next gift is going to be a little DIY. I'm going to take some coconut oil, Vaseline, and I purchased these 3 little containers of lip balm. The package also came with like a little spoon too for stirring ingredients, which I thought was pretty cool. I'm going to mix the coconut oil. I used about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and about 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Once it starts to look like this, it's ready to pour into the containers. You could use a little bit of your favorite lipstick if you want this to have a color to it, but I decided to leave mine the way it is, and I put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and this is how it turned out. Ready to go. And this last gift idea is if you think anyone would enjoy a nice fragrance of perfume. Dollar Tree offers their own kind of a knockoff brands of like Chanel No. 5 or White Diamonds or Calvin Klein. So you could try either of those. And I found this really pretty bottle to put the fragrance in and just kind of, fancy it up a little bit. And I'm going to pour it in this bottle, and there you go. That'll be a nice gift to someone. Be sure to watch my other Dollar Tree haul videos, and thank you again for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.